Hello everyone, David Katzmeyer here with cnet, and I'm standing next to Samsung's UNF6300. This is sort of a mid-range TV in Samsung's extensive LED TV lineup for 2013. This is a 55-inch version. This TV is available from sizes 32 all the way up to 60 inches, so it's a pretty extensive series. The 6300 is one of the least expensive Samsung TVs to offer its full Smart TV suite. We're going to get to that in a little bit, but it's also one of the least expensive with this relatively sleek edge-lit LED styling. So Samsung's TV is really thin when you look at it from the side. That's what that edge-lit design gives you. It's also really thin around the edge of the screen, so you don't have very much to the cabinet at all except for the picture. There's also Samsung's trademark spider stand here. It allows a swivel, and it's colored quite a bit lighter than the TV itself. All told, one of the nicer looking TVs in this price range. Aside from the design, the real selling point of the 6300 is its feature set, starting with Smart TV. This has my favorite Smart TV suite of 2013 among all the manufacturers. Samsung arranges its Smart TV in a series of 5 different pages. The first one, called On TV, actually sort of tries to replace your cable box. So this TV has a little IR dongle that can shoot commands to your cable box and integrate the program listings subject to your locality. So you can type in exactly where you live and you get customized listings depending on your cable or satellite provider. It works relatively well. In fact, it works a little bit better than on some of the higher end models. That's because Samsung 6300 includes a standard remote control that has all the buttons that I like to use for DVR, including transport. You also get a dedicated button to call up the guide from your cable box as well as the cable box's menu. So pretty good system overall. The rest of the Smart TV suite is very well designed. It's nice and simple this year. Samsung has more apps than pretty much anybody else, including exclusive on HBO Go. Of course, there's also plenty of standard on-demand sources, including Netflix, Amazon, and pretty much everything else. The 6300 also offers plenty of ways to adjust the picture. There's a full de-judder control, so you can dial in just the right amount of smoothness, which in my opinion should be 0. There's also excellent control of color and pretty much every other picture parameter. Connectivity is very good with 4 HDMI ports, 3 USB, and an analog input. Overall, the picture quality of the 6300 is pretty good, although it's not among the best TVs at its price point. Its main weakness is the inability to display a nice deep shade of black seen on some of the other LED TVs out there. Its level of black is a little bit lighter than those others, so you get less pop and contrast, especially in really dark scenes. On the flip side, we appreciated most of the other aspects of the Samsung's picture, including excellent color accuracy. The set also has relatively good uniformity, so there aren't any bright spots on our review sample. Video processing is among the best we've seen at any price point, and this TV holds up well in a brightly lit room. Overall, the Samsung 6300 represents a pretty good value, especially if you like its Smart TV perks. I'm David Katzmeyer from cnet.